Hello everyone! Blessed Sunday morning po sa ating lahat or Happy Easter Sunday po sa ating lahat. So today is April 20, 2025. So ayan guys, meron po pala tayong today's verse ngayon.
Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live even though they die. John 11:25.
So ayan guys, that's all for today's morning. So sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, kung kayo po nakaabot po hanggang dulo ng ating video, huwag pong kalimutan mag-follow and subscribe sa ating mga social media platform kung saan nakita nyo po itong video na to, and mag-like na din po. So that's all for today's morning. Huwag pong kalimutan magdasal and ingat po tayong lahat. See you again tomorrow. God bless us all. Bye!